In this video, I want to show you our Medium Orgonite Pyramid. So we sell pyramids in 4 sizes: small, medium, large, and giant. And all of our pyramids, so here's the medium. You can see in my hand, I've got a pretty big hand. All of our pyramids are made of extremely fine iron powder and really high quality carbon-based epoxy. With Orgonite, you need an organic material and an inorganic material. For us, the inorganic material is the fine iron powder, which we believe resonates with the iron in the blood of a human body, and carbon-based epoxy. So the epoxy is the organic material. It has a felt bottom, and all of them are sleek. They're dark gray, metallic shine. They're very, very dense. We've actually worked with a material science PhD to get the look, feel, and the composition down pat. We've really perfected it, and we're very proud of these. All of our pyramids are made using the original recipe for Orgonite developed by the inventor of Orgonite, Karl Hans Welz. Our pyramids, importantly, do not have visible layers. So when you see a supposed Orgonite, which we like to call Orgonite, when you see a supposed Orgonite pyramid with visible layers, layers, the layering of organic and inorganic material is what we believe causes the accumulation of life energy, of orgone, of chi. When you don't see visible layers like with ours, that actually means there are more layers. It means the iron powder and the epoxy, the organic and inorganic material, are so tightly bound that you can't even see layers, which is in essence thousands and thousands of invisible layers. The purpose of the medium pyramid, like with all of our pyramids, is to accumulate positive orgone from the environment and pass it to you or to the surrounding room. This pyramid is about the size of most pyramids, Orgone pyramids, if you will. It's about the size that you'll generally see, but we think this is much, much better value because it is so dense. It's so dense, it has so many layers, and it's really, we've really gotten the craftsmanship down, and it's just a much better value because you can't see the layers. So we think it's much more effective at accumulating orgone. It looks great. It can be used for home decor. Can be used, we think all of our pyramids work best when they are linked with an Orgone Generator. That's what we created the pyramid sets for. And with just a single pyramid, you can place it on the generator, you can place it next to it, and it will accumulate positive orgone created by the generator. If you don't have a generator, you can put this next to a plant, put it out in nature by running water, and we believe it'll out in the sun, and we believe it will accumulate positive energy from the environment, even without a generator. Just sometimes you maybe need to clean it, run it under water, put it out in nature for a while, make sure it doesn't accumulate any bad orgone. So this is a good value. This is a great way this is a good first purchase. A lot of people purchase a medium pyramid. That's their first pyramid. So this is the Medium Orgonite Pyramid.